Hi, welcome to Knit and Crochet with Love, and today I will show you how to do a cluster stitch. Cluster stitch consists of 3 or 4 or 5 double crochet stitches that are connected on the top of the stitch. Cluster. So let's see. Chain 2 to move up, and let's do 2 double crochets. And now we will do the cluster. So let's do a cluster that consists of 3 double crochets. Yarn over, put the hook in the stitch, yarn over, pull it through, and pull it through, but not close. Do not close. You have 2 stitches on your hook. Then let's do another double crochet in the next stitch, yarn over, hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over and pull through 2. So now you have 3 stitches on your hook and 2 double crochets. Now let's do third double crochet in the next stitch. Yarn over, next stitch, pull the hook in, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over and pull through 2. Now you have 4 stitches on your hook and you have 3 double crochets. Now you want to close them all in a cluster. Yarn over and pull through all 3 stitches. You see, this is a cluster. Okay, you will need to do a chain before a cluster, and then you will do a chain 3 cluster, 2 and 3. Close them all. You see, I have chain 1 before and chain 1 after, and I'll do a double crochet after, and you will see that the number of stitches will not change because I kind of decreased in 2 and I have 2 extra ones. Okay, and then we will do another 3 double crochets to finish the row. Okay, now let's do a cluster that consists of 5 double crochets. Okay, so chain 3, 2 to move up, turn your work around. Let's do 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and we will do a cluster in the middle, right? So we will do a cluster of 5 double crochets. So let's do 2 chain of 2 because we will decrease by 4 stitches, right? Chain 2, and then we will do skip 1, cluster here, 1 double crochet, another double crochet in the next stitch, third double crochet in the 4th stitch, oops, 5th double crochet in the 5th stitch, and then we close all of them. See, okay, and then we do another single crochet, chain 2, and only then we can do the rest of the stitches, which are double crochet. And you can see again that by doing chain 2 here and chain 2 here, you did not decrease the number of stitches that your work had because of this. Okay, you can consider this as an increase and this as a decrease. The cluster, because you have 5 stitches, 5 double crochets, and you close all of them on the top, so you are kind of decreasing 5 into 1. That's why you will need an extra. But this is a good example of of a pattern. You can make a very nice pattern out of this.